Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making this beautiful crown, and this crown is very easy to make. So let's get started. So I'm going to be having these cable ties I bought from a local store, and this crown that I'm making is not a huge crown, it's just a small crown. So I bought the smallest cable ties that I could got, and I'm using my red spray paint, and I also bought it from a local Chinese shop. And I'm also gonna be using these flowers. I'm just going to pick them from this crown I got also from the local store. So I'm just going to pick them up and place it to the crown that I'll be making. And also I'm going to be using this Alice band. I also picked it up from a local Chinese shop. And yeah, I'm also going to be using a gun. I also picked it there by the Chinese shop. So to begin with, I'm going to tie like this on my cable ties, and I'm going to place them on my Alice band like this. It's very easy. So I'm just going to place enough of the crown that I want to make for a client. I'm just going to keep on placing them. So you can make any crown as long as you just have the idea in your head. You can just buy different cable ties from whichever shop you buy them, and you're just going to put everything together like this. So this crown is going to be it's just a small crown. We're just going to use probably 19 or 20 cable ties. So you keep on doing this and you're done. Then you're just going to, now that I'm done, I'm just going to go and spray it outside, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I've sprayed my cable ties, and I'm just gonna dry them up. Okay, they're dry. Okay, so I'm going to do the next step. I'm going to grab my gun, heat it up. Okay, it's heated. So I'm going to grab that flower that I've just took from that crown, and I'm going to be placing them in front of my crown. Okay, I'm just going to keep on doing that, putting on my glue and place it there. So I just need to place 4 of them. Heat it up, place your glue, and I'm just going to place my okay, so now it's done. So quick and it's very easy. Okay, this is a simple design that I just did. I also do those gold ones, and it's very easy. See you. Don't forget to subscribe.